Charlie, today we are making groundnut soup jollof. And yes, I told you this year we are trying new things. Today I'm doing this with my very good friend, the Daily Foodie. Cause I need believers, guys. And she's a believer now. Tell me this doesn't look good. Process is very simple. We're going to make the groundnut soup first. Basic groundnut soup recipe. I'll throw some chicken in a pot. Then I'll season with garlic, ginger powder, pepper, and some chicken seasoning. Then I'll add some water and some onions, carrots, tomatoes, and Xposed and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll take off the veggies and then prepare my groundnut paste. And this groundnut paste is from Xposed kitchen. 100% groundnut paste that has no additives. I'll scoop some into the pot, add water and then stir till smooth, and I'll let this cook till the oil forms like this. Then we'll add some water, dilute, and then pour into the pot with the chicken. Then we'll add the blended veggies too. I'll add some dried fish, some precursor, and some seasoning, and this will cook for the next 20 minutes. That's all. Groundnut soup done. We'll scoop some aside and then the rice goes in, just like the usual jollof style. Stir from time to time so it cooks evenly. Then we serve proper groundnut soup jollof with a touch of chicken and groundnut soup. And this was a banger. I beg, try and thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye.